British summer is already in Benidorm town. This is the time of the year, how we call it here in Benidorm, when national tourists are long gone because peak summer season is over, and during autumn and winter time, quite a lot of British tourists arrive here to the city. Obviously, there's way more. There's people from Netherlands, Germany, France, Norway, general Scandinavian countries or Northern European countries. But British tourists obviously are the vast majority. This is why this season is called like this between the locals. Authentic Brit season. This is when a lot of travelers are coming here on holidays. Why? Because it is slightly cheaper than in summer, because it's still hot during the day, but you're able to have a lot of time on the outside without a heat wave, both in the morning and in the evening time. The sea is still very nice for a swim, and bars are packed up back again. You could have seen the Piccadilly and the Silver Dollar here absolutely full with people. Look at that. On the outside, plenty of people are enjoying some lovely drinks, listening to some nice music. On the inside, tables are full with people too. Slightly further along, we start to see quite a bit of movement on the street, even now when it's already past 9 p.m. The night is young and it is just starting, but this is how it's going to be. Obviously, by winter season, by January, February, it's going to be way less people here, but so far during calendar autumn, going to be a lot of movement. That is why we could have seen a police car. There's quite a few taxis going about and around. There's quite a lot of movement of people. Someone is heading back to their home from the job. Someone's heading from the beach. Others are having a walk in night Benidorm because the sun's already set. Now when we are already in September, sun is setting down slightly past 8 p.m. Not like before when it was at past 9. So it is already quite dark outside. But since it's very, very nice, it's still, it's slightly less than 30 degrees right now, obviously, because it's evening time and it's September. But it is around 26, maybe 25 right now, I would say. And it's still great to have a nice walk. Every now and then there is some strong wind, especially by the sea. There's a strong wind. Here we're protected by the buildings, so we're good. Morgan Tavern right in front of us, also aka known as the Neptune's Bar from the Benidorm series. Quite a nice place for entertainment. We've shown it to you guys from the inside as well in the night videos from the British Street. You can always see it. Very good place, very healthy place. We like it. It's recommended for a visit. It's great, and the dance floor is giant. There is a nice entertainment. There is a stage there with some lovely songs, just something interesting for the people. Karaoke here. Someone singing karaoke. The best karaoke in Benidorm, they say. That is interesting. That is a strong statement, by the way. Which one is your favorite if you're a karaoke fan? We'll read you here in the comments. The Waikiki also quite busy. Look at that, birthday boy, 60th birthday. Happy birthday. Hope you're having a lovely night here in Benidorm town. If you'll see this video, hello, hope you've had a lovely night. Quite a bit of people here, and there's even kids a little bit. Not because it's still not, you see, it's still not a peak night. If it would be a peak night going here with kids, well, I'm not sure, but so far it is evening, so we do see quite a few families with kids here on the British street. Quite a lot of themed t-shirts. There's a lot of those. All of a sudden, these t-shirts just appear back again. There's plenty of groups like these who are coming here to Benidorm to celebrate something, whether it's life, any kind of specific event, birthday, whatever it is. Every single occasion is worth being celebrated. John and Joseph's quite busy. People are grabbing some dinner. It's still quite early. It's past 9, so it's not even midnight. And here we have the wild duck.
Everyone, my friends, I think when you are coming here, I give you free ticket rows and always welcome to you.
I honestly think that they should give him a raise. If the owner of this place is looking at it, I think you should give him a raise because he always get this place packed up. And I've never seen more energetic public relations than this guy right here. So yeah, definitely, he deserves it.
Thank you. Bye.
Right in front, we have the Ambassador Playa, and they do open up these gates because when they have entertainment, they want people to also come from the outside, because they have a bar, they have consumptions and some drinks, they make a little bit of money of it too. So they open these big doors for people to actually get inside, but there is not a lot of them today. Where there is a lot of people is here on the British Street. There's even taxis arriving where? Obviously towards the Western Saloon. It's still an iconic place to be. Liam Gallagher here. There's Gang Hangover. There is some more tributes here and different types of groups. We've seen country style.
Born in the USA.
And this is the real atmosphere here in the area. Bars packed up. The Western Saloon is packed up to the top. There is live entertainment, obviously, as usual, as every single evening. There's plenty of people here, and look at that. There's some nice outfits here too. A lot of people are wearing different types of outfits. Look at that. It feels like we are back. It's like a flashback from May and June month. Not sure why, but we feel like it's May and June month because there's so many groups back again. It's like adults only paradise all of a sudden. But that is, I suppose, because the autumn is here. Children are back to school already, and if not, they're about to. And all the families went away, so only adults are left here of different ages. And this is how it feels. Like a lot of groups, a lot of not stack parties probably, but in general a group of friends, who are just coming here, who are putting the same outfits so that they would find all their friend group members when they walk around Benidorm so they wouldn't get lost. All these themed t-shirts, all of this is here. Very, oh my God, what in the world is that? See, told you. It's like this could happen here. People are just laughing and looking at it because this is bizarre. Oh my God, what is it? It's like a face of a girlfriend or something, isn't it? I think it is. People do all these themed t-shirts, all of this. Not the ones that are sold here in Benidorm, but actually themed with faces of their friends or their faces or their girlfriends' faces. Where do you get these things? Let us know in the comments. Where do people get these things before arriving to Benidorm? Is it like Amazon? Is it like specialized themed shops, online where they do it? How? AliExpress? What is it? Where do people get these themed, customized t-shirts? Let us know. Mateo's bar in Benidorm. Quite a few people on the terrace. Not too busy though. Barrels, which is I think it's like a beer place. Also quite interesting, but not too many people here. These places are small. Here outside, on the back side of the British Street, the atmosphere is still quite vivid, but since there is not many bars and nightclubs, with the exception of this one, which is the Town, quite popular, by the way. Quite a lot of people are coming here. There's some live entertainment as well, and they have tributes of different kind. For example, the Elvis tribute, the Drifters, and many others. These strange things that they sell here in the supermarkets, that is bizarre. Never knew what it is. I thought it's like a potato with a bat. Not sure. Don't ask us, but it's something very, very strange. So here on the back side, it is slightly less crowded, but there's one thing that is packed up to the top. The country ribs here, quite busy because it's evening. It's dinner time. This place right here, which is the British House, I think it's called, still closed. Maybe because they are not open just yet. Maybe because they're preparing. Who knows? But there's no one. Where there are some people is here in the Uncle Pets. And now when their terrace is smaller, Actually, it looks like it's busiest as we've ever seen it. Look at this. Oh, and the girls with the horses. We've seen them on the other side as well. Look at how packed Uncle Ped's is. We love this place. People love this place. We don't usually go here because we don't technically drink. Just maybe some sangria or like tinto de verano, something for celebration, and that's that. Like champagne on New Year, not more than that. But if we would come here because that's a very friendly place. That's a nice place. They have great pricing as well and buckets for a very, very good price. I think that's why people are actually coming here, and that's the service, the price, and overall location and the atmosphere that they have on the terrace. It's just a very, very nice vibe. That's why people go here. The Riviera Beach Hotel's terrace. Not too busy, honestly, but that's because there's no entertainment. There's some football games, and it's not for everyone's taste. And people technically prefer Uncle Ped's way more, I would state. Mostly on this hotel terrace, people who are staying here, they're coming here to grab some drinks, or those who want just slightly quieter atmosphere and just sit down and watch people pass by and enjoy just the atmosphere of the entire Benidorm. Explorers Club, on the other hand, does look really, really busy. Look at that. And there's also people on the terraces. See, that's convenient. Like you have a ground floor terrace or like the first floor. You just sit down on this terrace and you watch the football game from there. You can grab some drinks and save you up a little bit of money. That's what a lot of people are actually doing. But hey, this terrace is also very nice. They have good offers. Pricing is also okay. And the atmosphere is nice. And there's people on the balconies watching us. This is how British summer starts. British season starts here in Benidorm town. And from now on, it's going to be very, very busy with international tourists out here. Thank you for accompanying us today.